So smashed cucumber salad, which is amazing, delicious. Gotta clean the cucumbers. I'll make cucumber salad out of that. It's my veggie wash. So that's my cucumbers. We're about to make salad. I'll make smashed. Titus likes it. So we're gonna smash it. And we're gonna cut it like that, okay? Yes, I saw this on the internet. So now I'm doing it. And it makes a good salad, so we're gonna make it. Okay. That's what we have in place of fries. I was too tired to cook the fries. And this is what you want. After a long week, smash up your food. Okay. So there they are, all ready to smash. All smashed up. Uh-oh. Got one more. There you go. I'm going to add some sugar. Some salt. Some rice wine vinegar, and some chili crunch. And that's the salad. Smash cucumber salad. It's got chili crunch, salt, pepper, sugar. Let me see what it tastes like. Let's taste it. That is delicious. So smashed cucumber salad, which is amazing, delicious.